Welcome to E-Roll Battery. Today we're going to replace the battery on a 2020 Land Rover Evoque. It's the same battery from 2020 to 2021 and it's a 94R AGM. You have to replace it with a 94R AGM on this car. As you can see here, the car is always parked under the tree, so we're trying to clear out some debris so we can have a better workspace. Alright, so we're going to start by taking out the plastic screws on both sides. There's one on top of the battery and another plastic on top of the engine, and we're gonna go around and take all of them out. Just twist them and they'll come up, and then push up on them. The whole thing will come out if you can, if they are stuck, because you know it's the original battery, so they've been there for a while, 3 years. You just pull on it and they'll come out. Gonna do the same thing on top of the engine. Just keep twisting the bolt until they'll come up, and just do a small force and they'll come out. Try not to lose these bolts because they're gonna have to go back in again. Put them in a safe spot. Once you take out the plastic, we're gonna move this sponge. The sponge is right on top of the stabilization bar. Then there's 4 bolts. We're gonna use a T40 and it's really tight. This battery hasn't been replaced. It's the original battery, so everything got tread lock, so it's really tight. If you can, use a nut breaker, but be careful so you don't strip it. Get all 4 of them loose. Once you get them loose, then you can use the drill to take them out, make it easier for you. Once they are loose, then you're gonna drill them out. Alright, they just come out really easy. Try to save them too in a safe spot so you don't lose them. Alright, so the bolts are out. We're going to take out the bar. Once you take out the bar, then we're going to take out all the wire around the battery. There's at least 4 grommet around it. There's holding wires. You're going to get them loose. And there's 4 pieces that hold this plastic on the side of the battery. You just lift them up, being really careful that you don't break it, and they'll snap out. So the whole plastic won't come off because the air vent is still there. You can actually take out the air vent to make it easier for you, but we are trying to save some time, so that's why we haven't removed the air vent. So we're just gonna leave the plastic there and just take out the battery cover where you have all the fuses, and we're gonna start from there. Alright, the LED will just come off once you use. Then we're gonna take out the negative. Alright, so we took out the negative and put in a lid on the negative so it won't make any contact. Then we're going to proceed and take out the positive. Then we're going to take out the alternator wire. It's a 13mm. Once that is disconnected, we're going to take out the positive. And then we're going to take out the size of the battery. It's connected to 4 pieces on the side of the battery. Once you move that with a flathead screwdriver, you can start working it out side to side. Once it come out from one side, then there's another one behind all the small wire. Then you have to stick in the screwdriver and try to work it out. Okay, so once you get it out from the right side, then you're gonna lift it up. We're gonna disconnect the negative sensor, put it to the side. Alright, when you get everything out of the way from the top of the battery, then we're gonna take out the air vent. Use a screwdriver to help you out so you have some leverage and pull it out. Then on the left side of the battery, you have the battery hold down. It's a 10 millimeter. Slide it out. Then we're gonna slide out the battery, set it upright, and then you're gonna lift all the way up. If you can see, there's still more leaves and debris everywhere. So we're gonna blow some air on it, try to help clean it out. Alright, then we're gonna place in the new battery the same way. We're gonna go negative in first, and then we're gonna put it down so it'll stay flat. Once you get the battery flat, then we're gonna put in the battery hold down. Again, it's a 10 millimeter. You're gonna work it first with your hand, then we're gonna tighten it. Once you keep tightening it, the battery is gonna be settled and firm. Now we're gonna proceed, put it in the positive. First, don't forget about the vent. The air vent had to go in first. On the side, yeah, we don't have that much space because we still have the air vent in there. So try to put everything back in place again. And eventually you're gonna hear the four sides clicking on top of the battery. Just keep on working it, and you're gonna hear the click on all sides. All right, we're gonna tighten the positive. Then we're gonna do the alternator. It's a 13 millimeter. Now we're gonna do the negative sensor on the negative terminal. Put in the top of the battery. All right, the cover for all the sensor. And we're gonna put the battery divider. Just remember, around this divider there's wire that connect all the way around, so don't forget about those wire. All you have to do is just push it in and they'll clip in all the way around. Alright, you're gonna take out the negative cap that was on the battery, and we're gonna put the negative terminal, tighten the negative. Then the battery is installed. Now we're gonna go around and we're gonna install the sponges that's around on the right and left side. It's a water sealing so you don't get water into the engine. So we're gonna tuck it into the side. Then we're gonna put in the bar. Sponge go on top of the bar. We're gonna set it in, and then we're gonna put in the bolt. It's gonna be the teeth bolts. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. Then we're gonna proceed by tying them. Put some torque on them and try to even them out. So you're gonna do one side first, then the other, and then you're gonna keep going the other side, then the other, so it'll tighten down. Alright, all the bolts are tight. Now we're gonna put down the sponges, the water sealing on the side, and don't forget to tuck it in on the side of the car. Alright, now we're gonna put in the plastic. The one on the right is the one on top of the engine. When everything is aligned, then we're gonna proceed to the left side, the one on top of the battery. Alright, so now we're gonna put the plastic bolt. So you're gonna put in the bottom piece first, and then you put the top piece on it, and it will just snap in. Alright, then we're gonna proceed to cover all the holes around on top of the plastic. half in first, and then we're gonna snap in the top. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.